How to add your location on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to easily add your location on your Instagram posts. But before I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first off, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, and then at the top, tap on the plus button. Once you're here, select the photo that you'd like to post. I'm just going to choose this one, and then tap on the arrow that's pointing to the right. Again, edit this photo in any way that you'd like, add any filters, and then press the arrow again. And then finally, just before you're about to post this, you can actually tap on the add location. So tap on add location, and you can either select a location from the list that it's suggesting, or you can actually search for a location. So if I did a search for Sydney, Australia, when I post this, it's going to say my location is Sydney, Australia. And that's what it takes to add a location on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.